Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Bill Gates and infinite graph. So the first thing we need to do is we just need to add in here Earth, and on this Earth, let's add wind. Now we have dust. So for this one, let's add in here another Earth. Now we have planet. So let's add fire to that planet. Now we have sun. So for this sun, let's add in here another fire. Now we have solar. So since we already have solar, let's add in here another planet. Now we have system. So since we already have system, let's put that aside and let's add in here another element, which is earth, and another earth. Now we have mountain. So let's add wind to that. We have avalanche. So let's add another avalanche to that. Now we have snow. So for this snow right here, let's add in here wind. Now we have blizzard. So for this blizzard, let's merge the system, and now we have windows. So let's put that aside for now, and then let's add in here planet and add another planet. Now we have star. So let's add another star to that. Now we have galaxy. Add another star. We have universe. So let's merge universe with Windows. Now we have Microsoft. So since we already have Microsoft, let's head over and add another earth and water. Now we have plant. So since we have plant right here, let's add wind. Now we have dandelion. Let's add in here another plant and another plant as well. Now we have tree. Let's merge tree with dandelion. Now we have wish. Now let's add another tree for that. We have money. So let's merge and put that aside for now. And let's add in here water. Then let's add in here tree. Now we have river. So we'll merge money with river. Now we have bank. Let's merge bank with Microsoft. Now we have Bill Gates. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.